Tonight, I can report that Luigi Mangione has retained a high-powered New York defense attorney, Friedman Agnifilo, to represent him as he's facing a second-degree murder charge in the death of the United Healthcare CEO, Brian Thompson. Viewers of The Source will be very familiar with Friedman Agnifilo, who was recently a CNN legal analyst.
You, Karen, do you see it that way, a win for Pence?
No, he's going to have to testify before the grand jury. He's going to have to provide his testimony about the conversations leading up to January 6th. What the judge ruled today, what we're hearing, because it's under seal, was that it's only limited, the speech and debate clause, which is usually only limited to representatives or senators, because he has the role of being president of the Senate. In that limited role when he was certifying the election, he doesn't have to testify about that. But all of that, January 6th, is on video. So really what's important and what they need in the grand jury are what were the conversations before that and the pressure campaign that Donald Trump put on Mike Pence to not certify the election and potentially provide evidence that would show Donald Trump was committing a crime. So I think he might want to say this is a victory because it did say that the vice president, which is normally gets the executive privilege, which he also doesn't get in this case. That was also ruled does not apply. But this is the first time anyone's ruled that the speech and debate clause does apply.
But she's also a veteran of the New York criminal justice system. She served as the chief assistant district attorney in the Manhattan DA's office for 7 years before going into private practice. As one longtime New York prosecutor told me tonight, she knows, quote, every corridor, every judge, every clerk in the courthouse here.